Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Volvo V40. It's the 1.6 diesel engine. What we have is a diesel intake airflow position sensor, so I'll kind of break it down to you. It could give you the engine management light on, it could put you into lit mode, it can cause a lot of different things. I'm going to guide you where this fault code is. It's located right here. This is the component. Before you order anything, guys, I will check the wiring, make sure there's power going to it. It's really easy to change, but take it out. Inside is a little valve. The valve sometimes, should we say, gets stuck because there's so much dirt in there. Clean it, put it back on, and hopefully it should work. If not, buy an OEM original one. If you're going to ask me about part number, I really couldn't tell you, but there it is. I've got it the wrong way around, have I? No, actually I didn't. But there you are. Flip your computer the other way around and you'll see it. But anyways, that's the component. Change it. Once you have, I'm using the King Bowling K8 Pro. Do a full scan and clear, and that's it. There's no adaptation needed in this game. But that code is to do with this here, guys.